The process starts in a top tank that draws in air from the outside. This tank is half filled with water, and the air and water are alternately fed into spirals running down the length of the compressor. As the spirals rotate, gravity pushes both water and air downward. With each revolution, the volume inside the spirals decreases, compressing the air further as it descends. Gravity strives to keep the water level horizontal, but the air pressure pushes it out of balance, forming standing water pistons, and these pistons, with their varying heights, increase air pressure with each revolution of the spiral. The magic of our design is that the water cools the entire compression process, keeping it close to isothermal conditions. And this means superior energy efficiency with minimal waste. At the bottom of the compressor, air and water separate in a lower tank. The compressed air moves to the next stage for further pressurization, while the water is recirculated back to the top, converting pressure into potential energy and further driving the efficiency of the system. This process repeats across multiple stages until the desired pressure is achieved. The compressed air is then delivered to your industry where it's needed.